Hey there, it's Daniel from TheGoodocs.com where you can get free Google Docs templates and guides. In this video, you'll see ways to share a Google document with different access permissions. Sharing the Google document is the fundamental feature of Google Docs, since the service is meant for real-time collaborative work by multiple people. The basics are that you can give different users different permissions to work with a shared file, such as only view, editing, and commentator modes. Also note that you can manage such permissions only for the files created within your drive by you. First of all, there are 3 ways to access the sharing menu for the document, and they all start on your Google Drive. Locate the file on your drive, but don't open it yet. Click on it once, and here on the top right corner you'll see new buttons appear. And you need a second of them, a person with plus icon. Press it, and the sharing menu will pop out in front of you. Next method is to simply click on the document with a right mouse button and select the third share item here on the list. You will get the same window. The last sharing method is performed from the document itself, so open it. From here, go to the top right corner and press the blue Share button. And the same menu pops out. If you don't have such a button, you may have closed the top menu. And to open it, you will need to find such a button here on the right and click it. There you go. Now we'll talk about giving different permissions to different users regarding their interaction with the document. There's plenty of ways how you can organize the work within a certain document. To start, open the Share menu with one of 3 above-mentioned ways. You will see that you are designated as its owner. At the moment, only you have access to the document, since it's created in a private mode. From here, you have 2 menus for sharing. The top one means sharing a document with a limited group of people by entering their emails. Now, we need an email of the person that you want to share the document with. Let me type one. Here, Google shows that the user has a Google account, so I press it. And the person was added. Then, you can keep adding new members via email. The most important part now is giving a specific permission to a user. To do that, drag the cursor to the button next to the typing field and press it. Now you can assign a specific role to every single user: the editor mode, where the person will have complete access to edit the document; the viewer mode, where a person can only view the document and comments and download the document, but not change anything in it; and the commenter mode, that does not allow the person to edit the document as well, but allows him to write and post comments to certain parts of the document. Now you can add users and assign each one a different access permissions. Also, for every single user, you can write an invitation message and select whether you want to notify him and other people, which means the invitation message will go to the person's email address. And I press send so that a person will be notified. What's nice about this sharing method is that the document remains in restricted access mode, but can be accessed by only certain users chosen by you. By the way, we can go to the advanced sharing settings by pressing this cog icon and modify such settings for editors and viewers. Otherwise comes the second sharing way that does not require people to have an email address and Google account, only a link to the document. Once again, open the Share menu and drag the cursor to the second separated window, named Get Link, and press this button with text on it. What just happened was that you have opened access to the document via the link, meaning that anyone with whom you will share this link will be able to access the document. Copy it with this button and then send it to the people you want to share it with. And next, here come the access permissions as well, which are the same, but are applied to everyone with the link and not just specific users, making it more widely available. Drag the cassette to the right button with a viewer text on it and press it. The same works here. Open only a viewing mode, commentator mode, or full editing mode. But this time with no specific users. Select the option you need, copy the link and share it with people that you work with on this document. And done.
Hundreds more guides and a lot of free Google Docs templates on TheGoodocs.com following the link below the video. Like to help share our videos to more people and subscribe to see more guides. I hope we helped you. Thank you for watching.